It was a very quiet afternoon in the big blue house. Ayan sat on the soft living room rug, turning the pages of his favorite book. His parents had just stepped next door to help a neighbor, leaving Ayan feeling like the king of his very own castle. The house felt much larger when it was quiet. The shadows on the wall looked like dancing giants, and the ticking clock sounded like a drum. Ayan took a deep breath. Being alone was a big responsibility for a brave boy. Crash! A sudden, loud noise echoed from the kitchen. It sounded like a mountain of glass had tumbled to the floor. Ayan froze. His heart started to beat fast, like a little bird trapped in a cage. "Oh no," Ayan whispered. Was it a sneaky thief? Or maybe a gust of wind that had turned into a ghost? His imagination began to run wild, painting pictures of scary things hiding behind the kitchen door. Then, Ayan remembered what his mother always told him. Stay calm before panicking, Ayan. A clear mind finds the truth. He closed his eyes and took 3 very slow, very deep breaths. With his heart feeling a little steadier, Ayan decided to investigate. He began to move toward the kitchen. He didn't run, and he didn't hide. He walked with soft, careful steps. He reached the kitchen door and paused. He could hear a strange sound. It wasn't a growl or a ghost's whistle. It sounded like a rhythmic thump, thump, thump against the cabinets. Ayan pushed the door open wide. There, in the middle of the floor, sat Barfi. Barfi was a scruffy dog with ears that flopped in 2 different directions. He was sitting amidst a pile of broken ceramic plates, looking very confused. Barfi had tried to jump up to reach a stray biscuit on the counter and had knocked over the stack of plates instead. "Oh, Barfi." Ayan laughed, feeling all the fear leave his body. "You're not a monster, you're just a hungry pup." Ayan carefully guarded the area so Barfi wouldn't step on the pieces until his parents got home. He felt proud of himself. He hadn't hidden under the bed. He had stayed calm and found the truth. It was a very brave day in the big blue house.